If you've ever wanted to find that perfect picture for your videos, but you just haven't been able to find it, well, Canva has some great news for you. I would like for you to meet Dreamlab. What is Dreamlab? Simply put, you can write out a prompt, aka words, and you can create different images with those words. If you can think it, you might be able to create it with Dreamlab. The homepage is the only place at this time that you can access Dreamlab. Let me show you where to find it. You've opened up canva.com. There is an icon right here that says Dreamlab, or over here on the left-hand side, there's an icon that says Dreamlab. It opens up Dreamlab. You have to do all of this on Canva's homepage. You want to be highly detailed with the prompt that you give to get the best output, the best picture that you can get. I'll give some strategies of how you can improve your prompts so that you can get the best image quality, or so that you can get the most accurate image out of Canva Dreamlab. This is what happened when I created this donkey image. Let's click here where it says Dreamlab. What image would you like to create today? You'll notice over here, it says 498. In a minute, I'm going to look at my free account and see if it's available. On my pro account, I have 498. There were 500, assuming that's per month. You can describe the image that you would want. Click on Smart to get some style types. Click on 1:1 to get your aspect ratio that you would like. Here is one of them, a highly detailed professional captured photograph. I'm not going to read all this, but basically a cute hummingbird. And I did this in one style, and then here is the other style. Now, what's funny is on the app itself, there were suggestions, but I don't see any suggestions here. So I don't know if those recommendations go away once you use it the first time. Let me look at my phone and see. Yeah, it appears that on the app as well, once you use one of their recommended prompts, that the suggestions go away. I wish that they stayed, because these are highly detailed prompts that are very helpful when you just don't know how to prompt AI to come up with an image. 3 dots. Okay, delete this generation. I don't want to do that. Reuse this prompt. So I clicked this little arrow here, reuse prompt. Let's change a few things. A tiny, adorable donkey, iridescent wings. I can go smart and choose something else like cinematic. We're just going to keep smart, and we can change this. Why don't we go with a 16:9? Because maybe you want to create an imagery like this for a video. Create. These are so freaking cute. I'm sorry, they're so adorable. When you hover over an image, there's several options. First, you can download it straight to your device. The other thing, you can click Edit, and it's going to open it up into a design where you can edit it. And when you do that, it should go to your uploads folder. Now, if you think because I did that I'm going to miss out on all the other ones that are there, you're wrong. If we go back to the homepage and go back to Dreamlab, you will see that they are all right here with the captioning. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I've got so many good ideas for this. What does the 3 dots do? 3 dots, create design, edit image, delete image, report image. It looks like free members get 20 tries, and I'm assuming that's lifetime tries. These are some of the ideas that they have. If you want to generate more, then make sure you use my Canva Pro affiliate link in the description box below. I'm going to talk about strategies for prompting in a little bit, but first, you don't have to use the image just like it is. So instead of clicking the download button again, I'm just going to click edit. Because I have Canva Pro, I am going to resize that to just a bigger aspect ratio. So let's resize and just go to video because I definitely want to be able to add some animations to this. We're just going to resize this design. This is a Canva Pro feature. Resize design. Can't tell if it's a little cut off or not. It is, but that's fine. We can just make it a little bit bigger. Let me click scroll view. When I scroll in, it's a high quality image, but there is like an AI generated signature on it. The first thing I want to do is get rid of that text at the bottom. Click on the image, click on edit. Under Magic Studio, there's one called Magic Eraser. That's what we want. We can either brush it or click it. I'm just going to brush because that's going to be the simplest thing, and brush over this and erase it. Now, if this was an image from an actual person, I wouldn't be erasing that, but that's an AI generated signature that's not even real. And then we're going to click out of it. That looks better already. What else can we do? We can adjust the colors of this image. Watch this. We're going to click on edit. There's the edit button. In addition to filters that you could use and just change the color of the, oh, that is beautiful. I think I left that filter on. I'm fine with that. I'm going to click adjust and then click on auto adjust. It's going to make some adjustments that it thinks is necessary, and then you can manually adjust some more. So let's scroll back. What if we didn't want the contrast? What if we, let's see. What if we wanted a little less contrast? And what if we didn't want the vibrance that high? But what if we wanted the saturation a little lower? I like this. The other thing that you can do is adjust individual colors, but it's kind of hit or miss whether it actually works. And sometimes, well, this one's actually doing a very good job. I like this one. Of course, it's a mythical creature, so of course it's going to look fine no matter what. So there was the before. Here's the after. What if you like the idea of animating this? Let's click Animate. Some of the new animations that are featured in a different video are brush, ink, digital, and spray paint. You could just do a simple brush animation and it just would add a layer to it. Let's remove that animation. What if we just wanted to animate the donkey? You could do one of two things. You could duplicate this image like this and then remove the background of the top image and then just make sure one's right on top of the other. The other thing that you could do is click Edit and Magic Grab. We're going to use the click and then click on the wings, the donkey, and both wings selected and the donkey. Here we go, and grab. This is going to separate the background from the foreground, and we're going to be able to add that animation just like this. Let's click the donkey and click Animate, and then just add an animation. What if we added succession? Like a really slow succession? And even more, what if we just reduce the transparency some? What does this look like? Let me click thumbnail view so that I can play it. Click share, download, and now you can download it as an MP4, a video. Now, what if you're not good at coming up with prompts? I could put mythical donkey with wings that glow, and that's not exactly what I wanted. I needed it to be a little more specific. The first thing I recommend is going to Leonardo AI, and you may think that that's, why would you do that? Here we are at Leonardo AI. Canva recently acquired Leonardo AI, and I highly believe, I've not been told, but I highly believe that they're the ones that are responsible for Dreamlab. So what you can do to get great prompts is to start investigating Leonardo AI. This is community creations. Basically, other creators have given these prompts. And trending, I would love to do food. Now we're going to scroll down and see what kind of food we made. This is the one that I picked up. When you click on an image, you can get the prompt details. Copy the prompt details and put them into Dreamlab. And then we're going to actually just close that out, put it right in here, and make changes. Here's the prompt. I said that I wanted a 4-layered light blue and purple birthday cake on the Atlantic beach that is filled with candy and cupcakes. Let me show you how to get all of these into your Canva account real quickly. The first thing you're going to do is just click download on all of them. Let me give you an example of one that I've not downloaded yet. All right, here we go. Is go to the projects tab, add new, and go to upload. Then you are going to select the ones that you want, and you can upload multiple things at one time right on the home page. Strategy number 2 is to use either ChatGPT or Gemini to upload an image and get it to describe it for you. So let me show you what I mean. You can sign in with this with Google, upload image. I'm just going to click that. Let's try this. I'm going to use this one. It's a donkey video because there's absolutely nothing in it that describes the image other than donkey video. You could do this with ChatGPT as well. I'm going to ask Gemini to write a prompt in Canva that describes this image. We're going to click enter and see what Gemini has to say. Here's a Canva prompt for the image, a whimsical illustration of a young donkey with blah, blah, blah. To give it a little more detail, expand this to be more detailed, please. There we go. I can take this to Dreamlab, copy, Control-C, Command-C. Remember, you have to go through Dreamlabs on the homepage, and you can paste that in. Actually, let's just click none and see what happens. And I am going to use 16 by 9 and create. And let's see what it does. And while it's working, actually it worked very quickly and it came up with some that are lovely. I'm going to go ahead and download these two and put them in my account. I love it. Let me show you another strategy, and it's right within Canva. We're going to take this and go to, actually, I think I already have a document. So I'm going to go here to Magic Write and write this. Rewrite this to be a better prompt for Dreamlab to create a vector image. I don't know if this is going to work or not. I've never tried it this way. Rewrite this prompt to be a better prompt, and then I'm just going to put here prompt generate. Improved prompt for Dreamlab. Create a vector image that captures, and it's a good prompt. We're going to go ahead and insert that, and then go back home, Dreamlab. One thing that I wish they would do is put this inside a design so you don't have to do this every time, but here we go. Create a vector image. I can even click this and go down and click vector and create, and let's see how this works. So I mentioned that I would love for this to be within a design. The other thing that I wish you could do is automatically have it go into your Canva account without having to download it and upload it or edit each individual image. I wish that I could get all 4 images into my account easier. These are really cute, but the good news is they are all here and they're going to stay here. And so I will be able to download them later if I want. There's just one more thing to talk about.